Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of Vodafone 246, which is free on a 12-month plan which I got from the warehouse, which is 600 texts, 1 best minute, 30 minutes, and it's free for 1 month. It's a pretty good deal and only $25 per month. And let's get to the phone. As you can see, the top of the box is just the phone itself, and then some designs, fancy designs. And then bottom is just some recycling stuff. Side barcode, back barcode, another side barcode, and then here we have some of the features. The Vodafone 246 has the GSM dual band 1.44 inches display with 65,000 colors, FM radio with RDS torchlight, and a vibration feature. Alright, so let's get to the phone itself. When you open the package, you see the Vodafone logo, and then in the flap, see the phone itself. I think it's a pretty basic one. Now we get inside the package. We see plastics. Here is, I think, headphone set with mini USB. I think a micro USB, which is, I think, pretty basic ones. Cheap plastic ones. Next is a charger, which is again mini USB and is for New Zealand, obviously, because this is from New Zealand. Yeah. We have the battery, which is I don't know really good batteries, but it's 617 milliamps, 3.7 volts. Battery is pretty small. And lastly, we have some paper stuff from Vodafone. Okay, we get that. User manual. I think this phone is from the battery. I think this one is manufactured by ZTE, which is, I think, a company from China. And we get to see the phone. The phone is here, pretty basic one. It's just a keypad, and then above it's a torch light. Bottom is the charger. Back is just a plain Vodafone logo. You can see, if you can see it there. Yeah, that's it. You gotta see it, guys. I'm gonna try to insert the battery here. Just be back in a few seconds.